In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a border in Notion. If you've ever wanted a clean boxed area to make important information stand out, this method is quick, flexible, and works beautifully across your workspace. Start on any Notion page and create the box by typing /callout and pressing enter. This instantly inserts a callout block, which looks like a neat framed section. Think of it as a container that gives your content a subtle border and a bit of breathing room. Perfect for notes, reminders, or grouped content you want to highlight. Next, let's customize the border's look so it matches your page. Hover over the callout and click the 6-dot handle on the left to open the block menu. Choose color. Here, you can pick a background that sets the tone soft colors for a gentle highlight or stronger hues to draw attention. If you select default, you'll get a clean white box with a thin light gray border, which is great when you want something minimal and professional. This setting tends to look good in most themes and keeps the focus on your content. Now, refine the icon. By default, callouts include an emoji on the left. Click the icon to swap it for something more relevant, like a light bulb for ideas or a checkmark for tasks. If you prefer a cleaner, text-first style, you can remove the icon by using turn into to strip it out, leaving just the boxed content. Either way, you are in control of how subtle or expressive the callout feels. Add your content directly inside the box. You can simply type your text or drag and drop existing blocks like checklists, tables, or longer notes right into the callout. Notion treats the callout as a container, so anything you place inside will stay grouped together. This is especially helpful for organizing related items without cluttering the rest of your page. To take it a step further, you can create columns with multiple callouts. Click and drag a callout to the right or left until you see a vertical blue line appear. Then drop it to set the column. Repeat with another callout to build a multi-column layout. This is perfect for dashboards, side-by-side comparisons, or tidy sections that need to share the same space. On narrower screens, Notion may stack columns automatically, keeping everything readable. And that's it. You've created a clear, customizable border in Notion using callout blocks. Thanks for watching.